Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Mountain house design ideas embrace the breathtaking beauty of nature and create a harmonious blend between the rugged surroundings and a cozy and comfortable interior. Whether nestled in the alpine forests or perched atop majestic peaks, mountain houses offer a unique opportunity to connect with nature and create a serene retreat away from the hustle and bustle of urban life. One of the key elements of mountain house design is the use of natural materials that complement the surroundings. Wood, stone, and other organic materials are commonly incorporated into the architecture and interior design to create a rustic and inviting atmosphere. Exposed wooden beams, stone fireplaces, and log walls bring a sense of warmth and authenticity to the space. Large windows and open floor plans are prevalent in mountain house design to maximize the stunning views and allow natural light to flood the interior. Panoramic windows offer a connection to the outdoors, allowing residents to admire the changing seasons and immerse themselves in the beauty of the landscape. The color palette in mountain house design often reflects the natural surroundings. Earthy tones, such as warm browns, deep greens, and soothing blues, create a calming and peaceful ambience. Soft neutrals and pastels can also be incorporated to enhance the sense of serenity and comfort. Mountain houses are designed with functionality in mind, considering the unique needs of residents living in a remote and sometimes challenging environment. Ample storage space, especially for outdoor gear, is essential. Mudrooms and entryway benches provide practical solutions for organizing boots, jackets, and equipment. In mountain house design, the concept of bringing the outdoors in is emphasized. Cozy outdoor living spaces, such as covered porches or decks, offer the perfect spot to enjoy fresh mountain air and breathtaking views. Fire pits or outdoor fireplaces can create a gathering place for friends and family to stargaze and share stories on chilly evenings. Additionally, mountain house interiors often feature cozy nooks and reading corners, perfect for curling up with a good book and enjoying the peace and tranquility of the surroundings. Plush and comfortable furniture with soft textiles contribute to the sense of relaxation and luxury. Mountain house design also embraces the idea of sustainability and eco-friendly practices. Energy-efficient windows, insulation, and solar panels can minimize the environmental impact and reduce utility costs. Rainwater harvesting and composting systems are additional eco-conscious features that can be incorporated into mountain house design. Ultimately, mountain house design ideas aim to create a haven that celebrates the beauty of nature while providing a sanctuary for rest, relaxation, and connection. The seamless integration of natural materials, open spaces, and functional elements ensures that mountain houses offer a unique and inviting escape for those seeking a closer connection to the great outdoors. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!